I am going to do the Crostini al Funghi. It's a open bread toasted with the fresh mozzarella. It's with mushroom. Al Funghi, it's mushroom. And so the mushroom looks like this. You slice it like that, and you saute it with garlic. You put a little bit white wine. You saute it. You put a little bit salt and pepper to taste. Fresh parsley from my garden. Okay, like that. Now, okay, I can toast it here. I can put it on the side. Has salt, has white wine. Allora, healthy and delicious. You can put a little bit parsley and a little bit oil on the top. That's it.